First, gather a frying pan, a spatula, some cooking spray, and your favorite bologna. Turn the stove on high and spray a thin layer of cooking spray on the pan. Then place 2 to 3 slices of bologna on the pan. Fry them on both sides until a nice golden brown ring appears. Then flop them down on a paper plate and add a generous amount of ketchup. Get graham crackers, Reese cups, and large marshmallows. Break a large graham cracker in half. Then stack the graham crackers, Reese cup, and marshmallow as if you would for a regular s'more. After that, place it on a microwave-safe plate and put it on for exactly 10 seconds and watch as the marshmallow expands and melts. It was so delicious, even the huntress from Dead by Daylight decided to give it a try.